Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet update. My name's Linda and today we are on Advent day number 16. I've been doing if you're new here, I have been opening the Masquerade Advent calendar from Reggie, J Hook Crochet, and today we are on 16. And we've got a little rocking horse today. Can you see? Little rocking horse. And it's a little burlap bag. And some of you have had some really great ideas on what, after the Advent's over, what to use these for. Oh! What colour have we got today? Oh, look at that. The greens and the teals together. Oh, that is really nice. And that will go even nice with this. So this is yesterday's, the 15th. And this is today's. Look at that, guys. Isn't that scrumptious? Yummy, yummy. Oh, I like it. I like. So, that's it for today. We've got 8 more little parcels to open, and then I'll be here on Christmas Day as well, because I've got a nice big parcel to open on Christmas Day. So I want to thank each and every one of you for commenting and give me some ideas on what to do. And I just need to finish my sweater, and hopefully I will have finished by Friday. Not Friday, Saturday. Fingers crossed it's all done and dusted, and then I can spend the next 2 weeks up to New Year finishing the shawl, this knitted shawl, with the first 8 days of the Advent. And then I'm definitely going to do the crocheted one. I think that's going to take me a little bit longer, but hey ho, we'll see how it goes. You know me, I'll be #doing a Linda. So thank you once again for all your support, your comments, your likes, and guys, if you can't manage to comment, just give a thumbs up. That really helps me, and I do so appreciate it. So take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all again tomorrow for day 17. Bye for now, guys.